Daily Trends or your trending news channel. Sabri and Sema Bekayansa, Yemuma and Semu.
Criminal justice, no, you more of them that time. But I say, and yet, and the penny and your buyer.
But more, you were a lawyer for me. Yet to be tested, Yemran on this particular thing, say, and the John Command Mamma and then this. Yet you be a Yoko, who are detained in the panel 5 days, 6 days. You're ready to say a bit try, sir.
A bed lawyer, so. And yet, I did be a wimpers of a try. Say, ne, were violating a constitutional right. The 48-hour rule has been violated, and therefore it should be compensated. These are a 2-hour bias here in Atta. Now, service also say, hey, go for it, they are alive to your responsibilities. And yes, they are. We'll be for them 8 days. But them 8 days. We'll say, one fact, man, she are ma, and the old man be. To me, I meet two terms. And I'm saying, say, it is never the intent of the Constitution, say, only law enforcement, only determine the freedom of the one they are investigating. Guess what? At the time they are investigating him. He's not a convict. So why should he suffer and do incarceration? That's why Constitution in answer say, and she will be more than 48 hours. Because the time is presumed innocent and to proven guilty. And as I said, I call power. And yes, I did. Now, as me lecturer, friends, Mr. Chachuchi Kata, we enjoy constitutional lawlessness.
That means investigative bodies and agencies, 88 a month for Fahudi.
Baby. If you cry all lawyer and a cry, no, say, what you say? It's a glorified imprisonment. For you to go and sit in Yoko for 7 hours. For what? As you say, when you be here, now, Obin Peso Befro, now, what share why I'm detaining no, Bisano statements now, or oh, as if we need not to give Yaya Casa Ghanaians the shabby treatment. Because I did a myself, oh, when you are better say, what you say? A few years ago, they were in opposition. You see, and I will say, everything is temporal.
But council then a beba Yoko NIB on bet you na ye bet dodgy nipano abusuan hu baby e de na call the lawyer obe to charge no kra no hu baby e de na call den na ye ba
yeah na ye mumu yo de but that's how I see it. And friends to me at time you are there now we your Ghana new. And I won't know to now we say it can change. Like President Kufuor to ever call. Now on no cry no call, no be so abako. No be so abako. And if you know that power is a trust arrangement, we are trustee of power. I say, and now Obeka say Atta regarded and auntie. And yes, I could flip and it will be you. Obia all my gun and bread in the name of power and the deno. But catch also Numiansa. A man will cron Tiasi. Obia and the de. So a man yonku gun and ni bread in the name of power. Make us Numiansa and a man will know a friend of Democrats. On take the ABC didn't pass it. They told me Mawa. The emra and usru and the other sum. And to say emra ni moa na obika ma will be done. Me feel say aqua with the bachelor. What the bachelor was saying.
But as the ordinary Ghanaian and lay person on the street, will be a one Shiamolo, be Fatami, man, the Sumina Sumi Pacho, will be a woman Sia and Quenimu to say the immediate and Quenimu. Because na and this ya buying bar, Mbrano is a son, MPP are buying bar, and Mbrano is a son.
Now, Unzaya near Nana Kufuor, ye be no way. Was Obi start here, I'll see if they be loot. I feel the investigating body not a vigilante group. And then number for property in the beat 2 hour finance minister fee, police warrant, and now Bibu, who ran fee near to Trasem. Why? Trasam Entina President Rollins car said or the military attire and a tonche Baba fa constitution and he said revolution are common and never Rollins time. So we will repeat it say na who's you and very very important as better say some when you tia nyina emra o ene ma ya somdui emra kwan so si agimra tomua o se o ma no fa hudie ne pi ne kofo betra Ghana ehu ne obi kan to trasem ne my will be down. I will show you where power lies in your baba and e dey ben de kosi e attorney general to be cause o ne lutu for ye bebrebe no ene rasmatas ne yanka se ma enyi we se o ye ni nyina no o se ni nyina no ayi tumi ye di ekire de ko kasa court no onkura tina se ekese mo ebua propaganda ama mo nye propaganda o ayi adwie mu pi dadin ye adwuma ti lutu no ko sise afa ni am hu ba ko so na meso ani nyon se ene sase bi ba na yesi obi anya problem o ti ase ni akodi asem no press o hu odi ye she odi pa no court ase akese o pronounce pa odi pa no guilty we are the court of public opinion afa na also all ba no aba be arraign before a court of law.
No, what for you?
What for we? Agunani masi e.
To we hear judge class of transfer.
Sanity now we are judge and card the court. And he say, as good as you say, the reset of the rule of law. No, but the
rule of law is more reset.
Of course, now we never na make a way. Every man is presumed innocent until proven guilty. So I say we say never na mature constitution.
Is that why your modern new chief justice Abba?
Well, Mr. Chief Justice, ebehwe mra no wayo. Chief Justice bia ni tumi no obehwe mra no wayo. On believe say ebia obenya Chief Justice wa appoint no na wa beboa say bumuyo ni ade tantan no. Obi on person be say Chief Justice carry. But Mr. Chief Justice na ni atese won na on fo bumuyo de so. Although una appoint and just say adefu bia oni akire. Because he has a career to protect. A Chief Justice is not so a vigilante there. I said, "Na man, as in Tirase, if you want to have your own rule of law, the idea ma as you do get your court now say Chief Justice. So on no why your party a pay the amount. So rule of law no just say or party a pay the amount. And Cockrell, Emra different from or party feelings. It will believe it's okay, and that means many are judges. What? You want to corrupt the judiciary? So your judges will do what for you? Your judges will imprison the innocent. Can that be a reset of the rule of law? We have passed kangaroo calls. And friends, vigilantism and but for now, lawyer for near judge for to be in company. See ya, they be quiet. Copy say, "I buy best summer rule of law to me." But catch your plane say, individual lawyers now. You see on clients, no member on home swap. You see changes. If you say, "Would make us an idea?" Your club will be a kind of one. You call with group action. Now, one out to also a lawyer. What practicing law maybe 10 years. Now, yet the assemblies need trust and no one to me. I said, just say. At the end, I see a practicing law. We should uphold the law. We shouldn't have party affiliations. Now, I know never or man every nation develop will be the environment is called rule of law. And Brania more day and and vigilantism. And I may appoint any power Hanko Supreme Court near where the amount. Oh, on the Supreme Court, you know, so I judges for one near few. And to court now, dear, a corn, no actual corn, natural. Who walk or chokra ought to be and castle of a sign because a big massive is a history making forum, the Supreme Court. I dare be a Betrobiano, who cock having law school now debate, and then they must have an actual tan, I don't know what petition. This is not there. Who did you tinker with the rule of law? You lower the standard of governance.
Council, Eden Bebama, Attorney General Trokata Koma Iyoko say ye investigate Obia. Iyoko, as to say, Oma investigating in panel, Omonia Yeminim, but as a nabe salad, Ewokruma. Because Okroma na Attorney General Trokata Koma Iyoko say, Joseph Yamin. National organizer for the NDC. You're investigating about illegal mining. Galamsey. One Abanga, third vice chair, Ma NDC. That's now. We'll be a new baby. I could see investigate your more, see investigate your more, and then everybody.
Well, I am not Rasmatas, Anna, media friends. And that the fail, and yet MPP from one year now. The NDC needs the program said. You better use near my final. No, so be high there on the investigating. And to feed the frenzy of the press and to make some people happy as if they are interested in dealing with people in all fairness. Ghana, Libya, Ghana, and MPP for one kind of money. So they'll come out with these things. I wonder whether Yoko has a remedy to investigate people who are doing what I'm saying. I wonder.
And your money is jurisdiction.
Oh, the remedy no cry. Or remedy no cry. And the trouble I know, yes, and a man I know bisa. And then why you know what we force will be count and you.
But the Attorney General is a learned lawyer, and he then by a learned lawyer. Betrocrata ama Yoko so investigate you be about illegal mining, knowing very well say the Yoko any such jurisdiction.
You see, over Constitution Article 88 and I can say the Attorney General is the principal legal advisor of the government. Okay, fine. So no cross pass or my legal advice here. But if you are writing your political theories, what do you call it? And you are as at the end I would trust a lawyer, and you want to satisfy some political constituency. And maybe I would and I would do Attorney General it to me money be a picture. So then the Attorney General actual letter. I'll share the content of the letter. It will be kind, maybe going for Attorney General so but trust our letter. And that's what it is. If we are not careful, the Attorney General will be a very, 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 very cornered politician. And I'll tell you the difference between politics and law. You see, you can be political, but not legal. Very, very interesting. I feel now when you're making arbitrariness, emotions, my will be done. I will show you where power lies, authoritarianism, and the rest of it. The Attorney General office in the me every crowd. Why you know why? No, I bear the conveyor belt of the political system. Now you on pen on catch law. Into one casano, only law abiding. Because you want to satisfy a political constituency. I don't believe that is the work of an Attorney General.
Wow. That means, Sir Joseph Yamin, the Ania Banga, the third vice chair, Attorney General, and the Koma Yoko no. Attorney General, as a Dominica Ayine, as who better say, and Yoko jurisdiction.
Yenisa, say Yoko jurisdiction, they say, and before you can see on the
Did then a baby Attorney General, learned lawyer, be to Sana Mono, a bind lawyer paying. May I be a no 2 foot trouble when it's where meaning say, and then they are also the entities of work. So people will see, say, or are balanced, and it's not going after people in political vendetta. That could be a whole, if you like, propaganda. But I don't see how you should waste your time with such matters. Quickly, me I hear Jennifer Atta. You know the issue. A startable boy. You heard the push off the Attorney General, the push off the OSP as a council.
Well, me na me kanda me koswaka. If you say when you go pombo na see any be so here na uswaya. Afna na ukra no kan obe kenyina ne me na mo na meto aso. Ya de be no kra be mamo. Me tietia mo fa hudie so me mfo be yire bakika se ne manyina. Who ya no qualify me so am yare. Eti me view ni say na Keno forata kwabuchiri. Say yarea eye edi nya. And okos san ho yarea. And never be a takere no. That was a necessary. na me feel say so be ntia pa no san ho yare a ese mu jaro na ohwe sa no man ya metiti ni sa fe de atra ho afi kwa de ni be bi otene kwa wa asidi emra me hu say o shata de afufuro bi na ye de handcuff abu ni sa me se fem kakra so we de na ekoso ba oyene two views na aba view ba ko say you can try kind of Atta in absentia. It's permitted.
Now, trust ye, pa.
Me person be chance here say, na for Atta ni ha. But why ya aware say there are criminal proceedings in Ghana. Also on ma, the judge can proceed with the case, and when the evidence now be at from the church say, or guilty, which me I know because on person be for trial. Another view is na kind of Atta is over. No be face you on. Na owan fa the case bi amegu nanim say ne ono na wa ma wa cause financial loss the state ni ade. No hene yeti hey enye kenofori Atta. And yenye the lawyers so. So it is kind of Atta's election whether to stay outside or to come. Ibn Mukaze his absence is embarrassing to him. It is his election. We don't believe so. It be offense or bar. Jojo no. I for ha. You be could be a ko Jojo akosisen. Be who be a kase ne or innocent na or shishawa 1 month. The drink. Until we believe say back in of Atta no dia. Also to be so nya on between number 5. O me used to be on family kwanso. Na de ko dia kin of Atta on between nephew about 5. And kwanso between extradite will be about jurisdiction. Another matter I asked from Kakran say we can red alert near day and those things as he says is a common criminal and say never
force
yeah and never said the man I mean he say is the right thing to do but ningina no I mean ni penim can of right on yakola and I 777 penny food in a cheaper they should take a decision especially any ding send them.
There's so much enemy.
Oh, why they? More ya. And to no be to me, I take decisions, but no be redeem money there.